This is Short Hammer. It's the 27th of April 2019, and we're looking at STZ, or Constellation Brands. On the 25th, we saw Constellation Brands run up into the 214.40 area and then pull back. And right around noontime on the 25th of April, it stuck in this little channel for the rest of the day. Didn't really go anywhere. And so what we were thinking was, hey, maybe on Friday we'll get a break above this break out of this channel, and a run into the 214 area again. And potentially, what you may see is a pullback here, hold of the channel, and then a confirmation of the breakout, and for us to go higher to this next supply demand zone. And that was the ideal setup. Or the other ideal setup was for it to fail below the channel, retest, and then sell off into our supply demand zone down here. Neither thing happened. It just kind of stuck in and around this channel for the entire day, Friday. So what we're looking for going into next week, the week ending May 3rd, is we're looking for this to either break above this supply demand zone and close, and then to take this to the next zone, which is the 219 area. So if it breaks above this 214 and closes above this area, I'll probably buy a call, and my stop will be if it goes back and closes below this 213.48 area, or a strong amount of selling that pushes it down. That tells me that maybe the bulls are no longer pushing this thing up. So we'll see what happens there. If we look at the daily chart, which I'm about to go over to right now, we see that between Thursday and Friday, the 25th and 26th of April, it almost looks like a double top here. And it may not be, it could be one of those things where it's just a day where she just didn't push up higher, right? It closed higher than the previous day, that's true. But I kind of wanted to close above this next zone to show a strength for a potential leap pushing into this 219 area. But if we look back, we see just areas of congestion around this 213, 214 area. All this congestion that we have to get through, this overhead we have to get through. So it seems as if what's most likely when I'm looking at this, because of how steep this climb was, with a little bit of consolidation here in next level, is either we're going to have consolidation around this area throughout next week, or we're going to pull back down between this 209 and this 205 area, which I think is the most likely. We see a pullback to here, and we'll see. I'm going to be watching this, and when we look at the options chain, let's pull this on over. It seems to be more people thinking that we're going down. Just looking at the open interest in the volume, then people thinking that we're going up. So we'll see. This is just no deep dive, just a quick glance at what we're looking at for the week ending May the 3rd, and we'll see what happens. But we're never biased. We let the chart tell us which trades to take. So we'll see what happens next week, but definitely looking for a break above, or for this to show weakness and for us to get selling down into this between this 205 and this 209 area right in here. So we'll see what happens.